Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Thursday, February 14, 2019 and the time is around 5 a.m. GMT. Alright, so today we will be looking at the chart of gold. This is a 60 minutes chart, okay, 1 hour chart. We can see here what we expect in gold is gold to do a wave 4 correction in the blue degree, and the correction is in the form of a WXY, or sometimes called as a double 3. It's a double correction, is a one of those complex structures, also called 7 swing, because if you count the swing, this is a 1 2 3, right? This is a zigzag ABC, and then you have the correction, which is the X in the form of another double XY, WXY in the black. Then you got the Y in red as a zigzag. So since both legs are an ABC, this is sometimes also called double zigzags, right? So a double correction or double 3 is called double zigzag sometimes, but only if both legs are zigzags. But both legs do not necessarily have to be zigzags, right? It can be a flat, it can be another WXY in the lower degree, or it can be something else, right? It can be triangle and other things. So a double correction is a better term in this regards. Okay, now what do we expect with gold? So we expect gold to find buyers in this blue box, right? So buyers should appear from this blue box because that is when this leg is going to be equal to this leg, and gold either will go to new high in the wave 5 from there, or at least is going to bounce in 3 waves at least to correct this entire decline. Okay, now if we look at the larger degree, let me show you this one. This is not Elliott wave but trend line, a simple long-term trend line analysis. We can see that gold has been in a 7-year bearish channel since topping out in 2011, right? And since then you can see it has been in this big range for a long time, and just recently it broke out of the range, right? It broke out of the range. Not only that, it was able to close above this ascending channel as well, right? So I think looking at this overall view over here, we are favoring more upside in gold, right? We are favoring for more upside in gold. And you can see right now, despite the pullback, it is going to find support in the pullback as far as we don't close below this channel again, right? As far as we don't close below this again in this area, I think gold can continue to find support now, as we already had a breakout. All right, so if you look at the Elliott wave count again, we are calling this is 3 and 4, and if you look at this is a daily chart but not a full count. Okay, full label and all in all time frames as always is available for members in the member area. You can always take our trial. We offer 14 days free trial, and the link is in the YouTube description. Okay, so this is what we are seeing here in gold. You can see this stop here is wave 3 and we are in the wave 4, and that means this is where we are. If we look at it from the larger degree, this is a daily chart. So from the low in 2018 August, right? We got 1 2, and then now this is 3, which is also subdivided into like a 5 waves, right? This wave 3 in blue. Then we are trying to finish this wave 4. typically in the Elliott wave, wave 4 is around 23.638.2 retracement of the wave 3, which comes at 1292, 1271. Now this area, if you compare with this blue box area, which is based on this equal leg, they have a confluence, right? This area comes from comes at 1293, 1288, which is also a confluence of this area 1292, 1271 if we use a retracement. Okay, so again, from there we got a chance to extend again higher, or at least bounce in 3 ways at least. All right, now what will be sort of an alternate? Well, the alternate is that this cycle is finished in gold. So instead of doing another leg higher, right, this cycle that starts from August 2018 finished, and if it is finished, then we need to relabel this move, right? We need to relabel this move. I don't think it makes a big difference in the way gold is expected to move. Yeah, maybe it's no longer like a 5 waves. Maybe we can call it like a either corrective, like a WXY here, or some sort of a flat or a zigzag from here, you know, AB with a long C, something like that. But if you look at the momentum right now, so the momentum suggests that there is a possibility. You see a break below this channel here, below this trend line. It's only a marginal break. There is a possibility that gold might have ended this cycle. So if it is ending this cycle, then the correction is going to correct this entire rally instead of just a shallow correction. So typically when a cycle is ending and you are correcting that cycle, you will see ideally a decent pullback around, let's say 38.2, 50% retracement of the whole cycle, right? So the alternate is going to be ending this cycle, and then you will get a deeper pullback. But even if that is the case, even if we get a deeper pullback in gold, still I think looking at this breakout from the long consolidation still suggests that even if we are going to see a deeper pullback in gold, this broken channel over here, I think still can likely find buyers again, right? And then from here we can continue higher again. So if it is going to retest that broken channel, we can go back to around, let's say approximately 1285, 1280. So let's call it 1280. That will be completely retesting that broken channel again, and then from there we could find support for the upside, right? So gold, for example, then if the cycle is finished, we could be doing like this. We could be doing a double correction, 1, 2, 3, to end this entire correction, and then still after that rally again. Okay, so I hope that this is clear, right? We do a lot of this kind of analysis every single day in the live session, live trading room. So for further updates, again, you can join us in the live session, the live trading room, and see you guys again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.